Golden sunrise on ancient stone, the quiet breath of a city old. Soft winds carry the songs untold across the rooftops touched with gold. Footsteps fade with the morning light. Shadows dance as the day ignites. Every moment feels warm and still. Jerusalem waking on the hill. In the silence, something calls, a gentle peace that covers all. Light over Jerusalem, falling soft like a prayer again, through the valleys and the open sky, where the world grows calm and the heart can fly. Light over Jerusalem, guiding souls where the journey ends. In the stillness of the dawn's embrace, we feel your peace fill this holy place. Stone on stone through 1,000 years, holding laughter and ancient tears. Every heartbeat becomes a hymn, carried softly on echoes thin. Warm horizons in shades of rose, gentle stories the city knows. History breathing with every breeze, a sacred calm among olive trees. In the quiet we belong to the echoes of an endless song. Light over Jerusalem, falling soft like a prayer again, through the valleys and the open sky, where the world grows calm and the heart can fly. Light over Jerusalem, guiding souls where the journey ends. In the stillness of the dawn's embrace, we feel your peace fill this holy place. Let the memories rise, let the worries fall. Hear the silence speaks to all. Golden shimmer on the sacred ground, where heaven's whisper can be found. Light over Jerusalem, falling soft like a prayer again. Let the sunrise heal the weary heart, as a quiet hope gently restarts. Light over Jerusalem, shining warm where the soul finds rest. In this timeless city bathed in gold, a peaceful story forever told. Peace in the air, peace colors fade from night to dawn, and shadows softly drift along. Mountains breathe in silver light, rivers shimmer calm and bright. Every heartbeat slows to still as the sky moves softly over hills. Where the sky moves slowly, where the world feels holy, where the horizon opens wide and peace begins to rise. Where the sky moves slowly, let your weary heart be free. In the quiet of the endless blue, find the place that carries you. Golden rays across the land, drawing maps in shifting sand. Whispers float above the sea, telling stories quietly. Clouds drift gentle, soft and true, painting skies in faded blue. Every moment feels like home, no matter where your thoughts may roam. Where the sky moves slowly, where the world feels holy, where the horizon opens wide and peace begins to rise. Where the sky moves slowly, let your weary heart be free. In the quiet of the endless blue, find the place that carries you. Let the wind erase the noise, let the silence lift your voice. Every dream becomes more clear when the world grows still up here. Where the sky moves slowly, where the heart breathes openly, let the colors of the earth below heal the places no one knows. Where the sky moves slowly, feel the calm wash over you. A peaceful world from far above, a quiet place to fall in love. Above the clouds, above it all, where the sky moves slowly and the world feels small.